Back to Professor Oken's after office hours. I am the Rabid Capitalist. You can find me at therabidcapitalist.com, providing my thoughts on present events. First, there was a fair bit of excitement over last week's IPO of Lineage, the largest IPO of the year. The press, unfortunately, has let their enthusiasm and hope get the best of us. This is, to be sure, an accomplishment to have completed this IPO, but its first day of trading performance of a 2.6% gain is woefully inadequate. Over the last 40 years, the first day return to an IPO has been 7.1%. In other words, at best, the success of this IPO, the largest of the year, was middling, and it is certainly not confirmation that the IPO window has reopened fully. Some commentators have drawn their hope, attached their hope to the performance of the Renaissance IPO ETF. This is over a 5-year period, just a bounce off the bottom. Certainly not the 5-year performance that would be associated with historic norms. The 3-year performance from the IPO market, again, based on 40-year averages, has been 19.6%. And as you can see here, our 3-year buy and hold performance of a loss of 43.6% is nowhere near normal. This, again, is further evidence that the IPO market is closed or is barely open, is open to a small number of transactions, which have, for the most part, not performed well. Obviously, this is bad news to private company owners, venture capitalists, and private equity investors. My expectation, until the existing companies that have gone public over the last 3 years prove themselves fundamentally in terms of revenue and earnings performance, defeating quarterly expectations, you really can't expect the IPO window to open broadly so that a large number of companies can get public. This may take quite a while to occur. In the meantime, continue to look for bargains. I'll be back with further insights. Stay frosty.